Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode. Let me ask you a question. Do you remember the first song you memorized when you were young? Maybe it was a nursery rhyme. Maybe it was a pop song that you heard on the radio. Maybe something your parents played around the house. Chances are, even if you don't remember what you had for breakfast yesterday, you still remember those lyrics word for word. That is the power of music. Now imagine using that same power, not just for fun, but to learn English. Today, I want to take you on a journey where your favorite songs become your teachers and your playlists become your textbooks. And those shower concerts actually help you speak more fluently. But first, if you're enjoying this, if you could just give it a like so that we can reach more people, and you can go ahead and click that subscribe button too. It's free, it's fun, and it makes me smile. Now, back to the episode. Research shows that music activates both sides of the brain, the emotional side and the logical side. That means when you listen to a song in English, you're not only memorizing the words, you're connecting them to feelings. Emotions make learning stick. Think of the song Happy by Pharrell. The word happy isn't just a dictionary definition. You feel the word when you sing it. That emotional memory is stronger than memorizing flashcards. Here's a fun fact. Many people improve their accents more by singing than by speaking. Why, you ask? Because when you sing, you copy the rhythm, the intonation, and the melody. English is not just words, it's music in itself. For example, listen to Adele sing "Hello." The way she stretches the O gives you the exact shape your mouth should make. Or think about Ed Sheeran's Perfect. The way he pronounces darling, dancing, teaches you natural linking of words. Here's a challenge for you. Pick one song a week. Sing along slowly and don't worry about your voice. This is language training, not voice training for a concert. Songs are mini dictionaries. A love song, like Taylor Swift's Love Story, gives you emotional vocabulary words like faith, fate, castle, forever. Hip-hop introduces slang like chill or vibe, cool. Rock songs, those can bring the metaphors. Stairway to Heaven or Under Pressure. Here's a tip. Create a song journal for yourself. Every time you hear a word you don't know, write it down, look it up, and then sing it again. Suddenly, your playlist becomes your personal English dictionary. English is not just one accent. It's American, British, Australian, Jamaican. They all sound different. Music introduces you to those naturally. Country music, you'll hear a lot of the American Southern accent. British rock, you'll hear a lot of UK slang and pronunciation. Reggae is relaxed Jamaican English with rhythm. By listening to different genres, you're actually training your ear to understand global English. Here's something powerful. Singing in English can break your fear of speaking. Why? Because when you sing, you forget about mistakes. You just focus on the rhythm and joy. And once you've sung a line 20 times, speaking it feels a lot easier. Music also motivates. You'll never say, I'm too tired to listen to music, or that means learning English becomes a habit you look forward to instead of homework you avoid. Let's build a 30-day challenge. In the morning, play one English song while you make breakfast. In the afternoon, write 3 words from the song in your journal. And in the evening, sing one chorus out loud, even quietly if you're shy. Do this every day for a month. By the end, you'll know 90 plus new words, better pronunciation, and a big boost of confidence. I once had a friend who struggled with English grammar, but he loved Eminem. He learned the entire rap verse. At first, people laughed because his accent was a little funny, but after a few months, he started speaking naturally, fast, confident, expressive. Why? Because music trained his tongue faster than textbooks ever could. So next time you play your favorite song, don't just listen. Learn. Write, sing, and repeat. And remember, English just isn't in the classroom. It's in your headphones, your playlist, and it's in your heart. Thank you for listening today. Share this episode with a friend who also loves music, and maybe start a song challenge together, because the more you sing, the closer you get to fluency. I'll see you in the next episode.